Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to do a castor oil treatment on your natural hair for longer and stronger hair. On the scalp, castor oil works against dandruff, helps relieve dry, flaky scalps, strengthens the roots, and promotes hair growth. And castor oil is known to moisturize and soften hair, and aids in blood circulation, which results in faster hair growth. And I usually do this treatment about once per month, or whenever my hair starts to look really dull, dry, and won't cooperate. And all I'm going to need is cold pressed castor oil, a bowl for the castor oil, and hair elastics to section my hair off. I'm going to be doing my hair in 4 sections, so first I'm sectioning my hair off. Before adding the castor oil, I'm wetting my hair with warm water to make it easier to apply the oil. Next, I'm pouring the castor oil into a bowl so I can easily use my hands to apply it to my hair. When applying the castor oil, first I'm spreading it all throughout the section, and then I'm using it to massage my scalp. Then I'm Bantu knotting the section up. And I'm going to leave the Bantu knots in overnight, and I'll show you guys the finished result of my hair in the morning, after I wash out the castor oil. Now I'm all finished with the Bantu knots, and I slept with a t-shirt covering my hair so I wouldn't get oil everywhere. And now it's the next morning, and I just washed the castor oil out of my hair, and my hair feels so soft and smooth. My hair also feels a lot stronger, and I noticed that it was way easier to tangle my hair in the shower after this castor oil treatment. And I also loved how this treatment made my curls a lot more defined. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!